everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an intriguing story that combines the thrill of automotive restoration with the mysteries of a car's past. Join me as we delve into YouTuber Matt Armstrong's journey of uncovering the hidden history behind his recently acquired 2002 Lamborghini Murcielago. Matt Armstrong, a dedicated car enthusiast and YouTuber from Leicester, England, has a penchant for breathing new life into neglected supercars. In his latest venture, he stumbled upon a 2002 Lamborghini Murcielago that had been languishing in a single spot for 7 years. Despite its dilapidated state, Matt saw potential in the vehicle and decided to take on the challenge of restoring it to its former glory. As Matt embarked on the restoration process, he encountered several perplexing issues that raised questions about the car's history. The gearbox exhibited irregularities, one of the doors appeared to have been filled, suggesting previous damage, and there was a missing badge on one side of the car. These anomalies hinted at a past filled with rough handling and possible accidents, but concrete details remained elusive. In a twist of fate, while researching the car's background, Matt discovered old YouTube videos featuring his exact Murcielago. These videos, dating back 14 years, showcased the car being driven by various individuals, some handling it with care, while others were less gentle. Notably, several clips revealed drivers grinding the gears during shifts, which likely contributed to the gearbox issues Matt was facing. Additionally, the footage provided visual evidence of the dent and missing badge, corroborating the physical irregularities he observed. Delving deeper, Matt uncovered that his Murcielago had been part of a local track experience firm. This business allowed clients to drive supercars on a track, meaning hundreds, if not thousands, of people had taken the wheel of this Lamborghini over the years. The extensive use by numerous drivers, ranging from novices to seasoned enthusiasts, explained the wear and tear, as well as the various mechanical and cosmetic issues the car had accumulated. Armed with this newfound knowledge, Matt approached the restoration with a deeper understanding and appreciation of the car's storied past. While the extensive use and occasional mishandling had taken a toll on the Murcielago, Matt remained undeterred. His commitment to restoring the supercar not only aims to address its mechanical and aesthetic issues, but also to preserve a piece of automotive history that had been shaped by countless enthusiasts. Matt Armstrong's experience underscores the importance of uncovering a vehicle's history, especially when undertaking a restoration project. The journey of this 2002 Lamborghini Murcielago serves as a reminder that every car has a story, and understanding that narrative can provide invaluable insights during the restoration process. Matt's dedication and passion continue to inspire automotive enthusiasts worldwide, demonstrating that with perseverance and a bit of detective work, even the most challenging projects can lead to rewarding outcomes. Thank you for joining me on this fascinating exploration of automotive history and restoration. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on remarkable car journeys and restorations. Stay tuned for our next episode, and as always, keep the passion for cars alive.